TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. This is Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. And currently we've got a mixed bag out here. Not that unusual these days. We have the Dow trading down 144, S&P off 18, NASDAQ 100 down 40. Russell and the Semiconductor Index, they say, what are you guys talking about? The party is upstairs. You've got the Russell up 12 points, 0.6% to the upside. The semis are up 3 points. Spot volatility still well below its 50-day exponential moving average. It's trading out at 22.47. Gold's off a buck, silver 11 pennies. Light sweet crude is up 54 cents out there. So let's go take a look at these markets. What are they doing? You know, the easiest way to describe, well, first let's do this here. Let's take a look at our equity futures contracts. There is a new profile that is attempting to form inside the Dow. And so the key level there that you would be watching to the downside will be 29,814, to the upside 3260. Now, it's possible that at the end of today's trading, this profile goes away. So we'll have a confirmation on that on Monday. Nonetheless, it's present. That means that this is where buyers and sellers, or liars and sellers, are lined up, and to watch 29,814. Now, the reason to be watching that, and I'm just trying to get to the Dow example. I think that's right here. Yep, here is the Dow equity future contract. Now, this is not going to show the new profile that is attempting to form. I purposely have turned that off at the moment. The important thing to understand here, how these profiles work, and by the way, it's just the bottom of the profiles or support that I'm showing you here. Here's a chart. It's maybe a little bit easier. I've got the arrows, I think, already drawn in. So here is the ES mini. You can't get a change in trend signal until you bust through support. Well, this is one of our key support levels. So those red arrows show you time periods where price closes below the bottom of profile. By the way, for the S&P 500 via the ES mini, the number that you're watching is 3633.50 out there. So that's what's required in order to get a change in trend signal. And you can see we don't have that inside the ES. We do not have that inside the NQ. We do not have that inside the Dow, and we most certainly do not have that inside the Russell 2000. That doesn't mean that on an intraday basis that we're not going to see price moving lower. Why did the S&P bottom when it did? Well, it was that TD9 count bottom. It was bar number 8 that created that, and that prices run up where? Right into that oscillator and change line. That's a deflection. That's suggesting to you and I that the ES mini is on its way back to 36.87. You're at 36.95 right now. Folks, if you're off to start your Friday, have a fabulous one. Otherwise, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.